Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 8 Ashoka, the Emperor who gave up war. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Ruling the Empire Part 1. This comprises 14 questions. Question 1. As the empire was so large, different parts were dash. The options are ruled uniformly, ruled by many rulers, ruled differently, needed to speak a common language. Your time to choose. And the answer is ruled differently. So, as the empire was so large, different parts were ruled differently. Question 2. The area around Pataliputra was under dash of the emperor. The options are direct control, indirect control, A and D, quasi control. Your time to choose. And the answer is direct control. So, the area around Pataliputra was under direct control of the emperor. Question 3. The area around Dash was under the direct control of the emperor. The options are Sarnath, Bodh Gaya, Pataliputra, Vajji. Your time to choose. And the answer is Pataliputra. So, the area around Pataliputra was under the direct control of the emperor. Question 4. The area around Pataliputra was under the direct control of Dash. The options are the emperor, the king, the people, the monks. Your time to choose. And the answer is the emperor. So, the area around Pataliputra was under the direct control of the emperor. Question 5. In the area around Pataliputra, dash were appointed. The options are relatives of the king, officials, noblemen, inspectors. Your time to choose. And the answer is officials. So, in the area around Pataliputra, officials were appointed. Next question 6. In the area around Pataliputra, officials were appointed to dash. The options are rule, collect taxes, execute royal orders, maintain law and order. Your time to choose. And the answer is collect taxes. So, in the area around Pataliputra, officials were appointed to collect taxes. Next question. In the area around Pataliputra, officials were appointed to collect taxes from dash. The options are farmers, farmers and herders, farmers, herders and craftspersons, farmers, herders, craftspersons and traders. Your time to choose. And the answer is farmers, herders, craftspersons and traders. So, in the area around Pataliputra, officials were appointed to collect taxes from farmers, herders, craftspersons, and traders. Question 8. The officials collected taxes from farmers, herders, craftspersons, and traders who lived in the dash. The options are villages in the countryside, towns in the empire, villages and towns in the area, cities in the area. Your time to choose. And the answer is villages and towns in the area. So, the officials collected taxes from farmers, herders, craftspersons, and traders who lived in the villages and towns in the area. Question 9. Officials punish those who dash. The options are did not pay taxes, spoke Prakrit, did not serve in the army, disobeyed the ruler's orders. Your time to choose. And the answer is disobeyed the ruler's orders. So, officials punish those who disobeyed the ruler's orders. Question 10. Many of these officials were given dash. The options are salaries, land, slaves, grain. Your time to choose. And the answer is salaries. So, many of these officials were given salaries. Next question 11. Dash kept a watch on the officials. The options are messengers, spies, other officials, police. Your time to choose. And the answer is spies. So, spies kept a watch on the officials. Question 12. Dash went to and fro to communicate messages. The options are messengers, spies, other officials, farmers, herders, craftspersons, and traders. Your time to choose. And the answer is messengers. So, messengers went to and fro to communicate messages. Question 13. The dash supervised all the officials. The options are General of the Army, local ruler, emperor, chief of officials. Your time to choose. And the answer is emperor. So, the emperor supervised all the officials. Last question 14. The emperor supervised all the officials with the help of dash. The options are members of the royal family, senior ministers, A and B, senior officials. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, the emperor supervised all the officials with the help of members of the royal family and senior ministers. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Ruling the Empire Part 1. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Ruling the Empire Part 2. I'll see you there.